What's going on, you all? Today we're teaching you how to create Quest 2 content for TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. This is important when you're creating content. You want to be able to use the best workflow and create videos that still keep their quality while uploading to the vertical format content. And also, it's very easy. We're doing this without a PC and free ways to do this. So let's go ahead and let's dive right in. Let's get all this started. If y'all consider liking and subscribing, I really do appreciate that. And just thanks for riding along in our journey. First things first, you need to get a camera. So you need to have an offset camera because when you're recording on a Quest 2, it doesn't have its own feature of a webcam, and plus we're doing it without a PC. So just listen up, just take some notes and get ready. So first things first, you need the camera. So you're gonna use your phone as a camera. You're gonna set it up, have it nice and set up. Doesn't have to be fancy, wherever you want to lean it against. Have a good angle on you as if you were just doing a regular selfie or a TikTok live or Instagram live. Next, you need to put on your Quest 2 headset. When you put on that Quest 2 headset, there's gonna be a thing. It's gonna have the share button. You're gonna click that share button, and it's gonna ask you either want to cast, record a video, or take photos. Anything you want to go to record video, there's one more option. You include the mic audio, because when you're creating content and you want to be a VR content creator, it really does help you out in being able to hear your voice. And I'm going to be showing y'all examples in this.
All right, and just like that, now you can see me right here. I'm in my menu. You can hear me talking. You can hear me recording. All you're gonna have to do is sync this video with your phone. That's gonna be set it up as a selfie, so you can manually get them going in your editor. You'll see right here, I just hit sharing, and then this record button right here is how you're also gonna stop the recording. But when you hit this initially, you would hit it, and you're gonna be asked if you want to include the mic audio. Always include the mic audio, as it's a very solid microphone. It's a great tool, so you don't have to buy any extracurricular type of gear, and especially not needing a PC and streaming software and more. So this is always a great tool. And then you just hit that right here, record.
So when you do that, you're gonna record the video. So next, now you want to be able to hit record also on your phone. Set up your phone somewhere so it can record you in a selfie notion. Now you have the Quest 2 recording in whatever game you're playing. For an example, if you're playing Blade and Sorcery, or if you're playing Resident Evil 4, you can just have it recording while the phone is set up. Now you're recording in both attributes. Do whatever you want to do, capture any gameplay you want. Once you're done, you're gonna hit stop on each. So all you would have to do is go back to that share, hit the same button to stop recording on your Quest 2 while your Quest 2 is on. And then next, you're gonna have to hit stop on the cell phone. So when you hit stop on your phone, then now you do have the created content of what it takes. So now you want to ask the question is, how am I going to get that Quest 2 content into being able to put it together so we can upload it on TikTok and stuff? Good question. So on your Quest 2, you're going to hit share again. You want to go into your media that you have recorded, find the video you just recorded on your Quest 2 on your headset through your point of view. Now that you already have the video recorded of yourself in your phone, now you just need to get this over to your cell phone. You're going to send it to yourself on Facebook, send it on over to your Facebook. You're going to download the Facebook video as soon as it's done uploading. It'll probably take a few moments. Then you're going to download it using a Facebook converter of your choice. Just download the video using an online Facebook converter. You do this on your phone. Now you're able to download it directly to your phone. So now you have your actual selfie version of your phone video, and then you have the Quest 2 downloaded from Facebook all in your phone as files. So what's next, Timstuh? Next, you have to find your editor. My favorite editor is InShot. I love that one, but you can use CapCut also. But for InShot, it's very easy. All you have to do is duplicate the video, and you're gonna crop it to any size that you want. Crop any size that you're favorable for. And basically what I do is I would crop my camera size so that it takes over that ratio. InShot sets you up with the exact ratio, and so does CapCut in the vertical format. All you'll do, size them up, put your webcam or put your phone there, and then you're gonna put your actual Quest video on the bottom. Now, while having these, you just layer them on top of each other, measure it however you want. You can use whatever in depth you want, as long as you're using that ratio that apprehends to it. Now, the main thing of this is making sure you're having those raw files so that the quality does stay there. With InShot, what I do, I'm going to use the example of InShot. What I'll do is I would just manually sync the audio and my movements along with my video, so I ensure it's a very good experience that you can see everything is on point so that the recording is happening on time. So just manually, it's very easy. What I do is I just have like a signal. I have like a clap signal. I have something to where it really just can line up the audio, and that usually really does help. After that, you're going to be editing whatever you want. Now that the audio, now that the videos are layered, the ratio is good, and the audio is manually synced in with your movements and everything going on so that it is raw. You can put memes, you can put captions, you can filter it, you can do a lot. I would say just keep it as clean as you can so you don't have too much clutter going around your video, so it's very professional looking. You can share it across all platforms very easily with no watermarks or anything. So this is very important important. That's usually the step-by-step process on how you do it all. Now, it's very important to keep this and keep that raw format audio. Don't upload to TikTok and get rid of the original format that you created. When you create this type of content, you want to hold on to it. You have your ratio ready. You have your actual phone video on top. Then you have your actual Quest 2 content, gameplay content. You have everything synced in. It is with memes. It has captions. That's everything. Keep that format. Upload it to YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts is still in beta form, so it's very important to take full advantage of it. YouTube Shorts is basically what TikTok was a few years ago, like 2 years ago. And then Instagram Reels is still trying to push way more. They're trying to get into creator funds and stuff now. So you always want to have that vertical format over there. And next, of course, last but not least, TikTok, which was the game changer of everything. You want to always have stuff on TikTok. If you have one account or two accounts, switch them up and however you like. Then another notable thing you can do is also share them on your Facebook stories. You can share on your Instagram stories. You can put a link directly to wherever you're at. So if you want people to check out your streams, you can put like the vertical format video. Then you can share it on your stream. You can share it on Snapchat. You can put a link in there also to your YouTube or to your Twitch or anything. However you're creating content, you can really link them everywhere. That's why it's great to have a universal form of content. And it wasn't sharing like this. And you don't need a PC for this. You do it all through your phone. Have your phone as a webcam. So let's just go over everything. All right. So use your phone as the actual recording source, as a quote unquote webcam. Then you would record on your Quest 2 using the share, record all the gameplay, including your mic audio. Send that video over to Facebook. Download it from Facebook. Then you want to use your own video editor of your choice. Manually sync the audio and the video so that the movements are all great and the sound is sounding exactly the same. And then on top of that, put whatever edits you want in there, captions or memes or anything. Really download it at a high quality, at 1080p, the best you can get it. Then you want to share it across all platforms, but always keep that raw file so that you know that you can have great quality whenever you want to share it or reshare it, or continuously utilizing it throughout YouTube Shorts, throughout Instagram Reels, throughout TikTok, throughout Snapchat, throughout Facebook Stories and Instagram Stories, and getting it over to your Twitch, or make it a highlight reel on your Twitch channel or your YouTube channel. So it's always all important to just keep this video. So that's how you do it. I think with Quest 2 and VR content, especially without a PC, is still very, very overlooked and underrated. So if you like content like this, I appreciate you. If you do, consider liking and subscribing. It does help the channel, as I can help y'all out find ways to really maximize your potential on the Quest 2, and I know I can help you out. So I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a good one. Peace.